Kumusta kayo guys? Siyempre ito na naman tayo dahil inaabangan nyo lagi yung mga upload ng bandang Franz Rhythm guys. Ito na naman tayo at muli tayong magre-react sa isa sa mga cover song. Pinakabagong cover song ng paboritong banda ng bayan, Franz Rhythm guys. Ito yung kanta ng America guys na nirelease nung March 19, 1975 yung pinamagatang Golden Hair. Sisters Golden Hair. Ayan. Guys, sabay-sabay natin pakinggan ang napakalupit na cover song ng paboritong banda ng bayan, Franz Rhythm. May gamit na namang glass si Master
Chen. But I got so damn depressed. But I set my sights on Monday, and I've got myself undressed. I ain't ready for the autumn, but I do agree this time, when a woman sure can be a friend of mine. Well, I keep on thinking about you, Sister Golden Hair Surprise. Now I just can't live without you. Can't you see it in my eyes? Now I've been one poor correspondent. I've been too hard to find, but it doesn't mean you ain't been on my mind. Well, you meet me in the middle. Well, you meet well, you love me just a little, just enough to show you care. Well, I try to fake it, I don't mind saying it, just can't make it.
Acoustic ngayon si Char dito, ang gamit niya. Napaka-smooth nung tunog ng gitara ni Master Chen.
I keep on thinking about you, Sister Golden Hair Surprise. Now I just can't live without you. Can't you see it in my eyes? Now I've been one poor correspondent. I've been too hard to find, but it doesn't mean you ain't been on my mind.
Pakinggan yung face ni Tatay Franz.
Just enough to show you care. Well, I try to fake it, I don't mind saying I just can't make it.
Lupit ng bandang Franz Rhythm talaga, guys. Ang lupit na naman ang kanilang nilabas na cover song, guys, ng America. Grabe. Hindi na nakakagulat, guys, sa tuwing magpe-perform ang bandang Franz Rhythm, talagang bigay todo talaga, guys. Nasa satisfied talaga yung kanilang mga manonood. Grabe. Kaya hindi naman nakapagtakang inaabangan nating lahat na maglabas sila ng kanilang cover song. Ayan guys, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa kanilang channel guys, ilalagay natin sa ating description yung kanilang channel. Patuloy nating suportahan ng bandang Franz Rhythm guys. At sa mga hindi pa rin nakasubscribe sa ating channel, mag-subscribe na kayo guys para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod pa nating i-upload. Ayan guys, maraming salamat sa mga sumusuporta sa aking channel, sa mga nagko-comment, mga nagre-request. Ayan, maraming po salamat. Kita-kits ulit tayo sa mga susunod pang reaction video.